Want a seamless turntable animation? Easy. Reset the camera's transforms, make an empty, parent the camera to the empty with Control P, move the camera up, and now anytime the empty moves, the camera will move with it. Hit 0 on the number pad to see what the camera does, and move the empty up or down till the object is in the center. Turn on Auto Keyframe with this button here, add a keyframe with I, pick Lot, Rot, and Scale, then go to the end of the animation, rotate it 360 degrees, and add another. Select the first keyframe and hit T on the timeline to bring up this menu, which lets us pick how we want our empty to move from one keyframe to the next. Pick Linear and head over to the printer icon and change the frame rate to whatever you want. If it's moving too fast, increase the end keyframes here or here and move the second keyframe to the new end. Now, we want our friends to see how cool we are, so we need this to be an MP4 video file. Change the image to FFmpeg and change the encoding type to H.264 in MP4. We can also tell Blender where to save the file here. Add a cylinder for it to sit on if you want, then go to View and Viewport Render Animation. And just like that, we have a perfectly looped animation. Deuces.